Are you looking for the best water cooler dispensers? In this video, we'll take a look at 5 of the best water cooler dispensers available on the market today. Whether you're searching for a dispenser for your home, office, or workspace, we've selected some top-rated options to suit different needs and budgets. Before we get started, we've included links to all of the products featured in this video in the description below. Be sure to check them out to find the one that fits your budget and requirements. Now, let's dive into the list and find the perfect water cooler dispenser for you. Number 1. Avalon A4 Water Cooler Dispenser. Bottom-loading water cooler dispensers are popular for 2 reasons. Heavy lifting is not required, and they often have sanitary features like ozone or UV light. For a large office, the Avalon A4 doesn't quite meet our standard of 6L of cold water per hour. You get 183 fluid ounces, 5.4 L, or a 10 fluid ounces, 300 milliliters, glass every 3 minutes 20 seconds, so it's not too far off the mark. That's enough cold water for up to 18 glasses or people per hour. This Avalon A4, to its credit, puts out plenty of hot water. For making drinks back-to-back, you can get 3 decent-sized cups or a total of 27.3 fluid ounces, 807 milliliters. This is why we recommend it for the home, or an office, for those busy morning and lunchtime periods. It took 9 minutes 27 seconds to heat a full tank, a little longer than most, but you get more water at a high temperature of 199 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.7 degrees Celsius. The flow rate was a perfect 34 milliliters per second. We had no issue with the build quality. The buttons have a comfortable traction and they are easy to clean in between. The drip tray is spacious but attached to the door, so make sure to open the cabinet from the base. This model doesn't have ozone or UV, so it's more affordable. Number 2. Frigidaire EFWC 519 Water Cooler Dispenser. The Frigidaire EFWC 519 is our best water cooler dispenser for a busy office. The key reasons are the cold water performance, the simple sanitary design, and how cool it runs under high demand. This Frigidaire flawlessly provided 202 fluid ounces, 6L, of perfectly chilled water every hour. In practical terms, that's enough for one large 8.5 FL ounce glass of water every hour for 20 people taken in 3-minute intervals. The hot water temperature reached the upper standard of 198 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.2 degrees Celsius, but the capacity is only good for 2 back-to-back drinks of around 7.58 FL ounce. 220-240 ml. It took 5 minutes 37 minutes to reheat a full tank, or 3 minutes 17 seconds per 8.5 ounces, 250 milliliters, which is somewhat slow even for the capacity. You can get around 169 fluid ounces, 5L, per hour. For an office, the stainless steel body has a quality look. However, the hot water safety mechanism is sometimes tricky to work, but, on the upside, the faucets disassemble for easy cleaning. It's an old-school design, but at the same time very practical. Pushback levers are often more convenient for an office, but we like that the cold faucet can lift either up or down. The flow rate is not as fast as machines with buttons, but good for the faucet design. In general, a top-loading machine is a lot easier to clean and maintain than a bottom loader. With this Frigidaire EFWC 519, you have an adjustable cold water temperature within a 3 degrees Celsius range using a knob at the back of the machine. Number 3. Avalon A5 Self-Cleaning Water Dispenser. The Avalon A5 Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser with a filter impressed with its overall good design and performance. It's an excellent choice for a home and stylish fit for an office, provided of course you can easily connect to a water line. In our tests, the Avalon A5 flawlessly provided 202 FL ounce, 6L, per hour of chilled water. That's enough for up to 20 people or one large 8.5 FL ounce, 300 milliliters, glass per person every hour taken in 3-minute intervals. This easily meets hydration standards for both men and women. Likewise, the hot water temperature was optimal or 198 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.2 degrees Celsius. You can get up to 7.4 FL ounce, 220 milliliters cups, or 2 large mug cups of hot water at a time. The wait between tank reheats was around 7 minutes 40 seconds. The hourly capacity is 179 fluid ounces, 5.3 L, of hot water, which is pretty good. The flow rate was a steady and comfortable 33 milliliters per second, 1.1 fluid ounce, or 1 point below our benchmark of 34 milliliters per second. Just as important, the buttons have a comfortable traction and are well spaced for cleaning in between. Its most convenient features are ozone injection, a night light, and hassle-free water for up to 6 months per filter set. Its stainless steel front control panel has a sophisticated look and, like other Avalon machines, the dispensing booth is coated with a bacteria-resistant film. We were surprised how easy the filter setup was. The filter brackets come installed, so your biggest task is connecting to the water source below your sink. There is also a separate filter head to flush the first set of filters. On the downside, the drip tray is attached to the cabinet door and it will dislodge if you pull on it to open the door. Make sure to grip the cabinet door at the base. Number 4. Avalon A1 Water Cooler Dispenser. The attractive Avalon A1 has large red and blue paddle levers set against a white body. Considering the good build quality and near-top performance scores, it's also very reasonably priced. This Avalon produced 193 FLOs, 5.7 L, per hour as opposed to 6 L as the top standard. It can serve 19 people per hour or an 8.5 fluid ounces, glass of chilled water every 3 minutes 10 seconds. The hot water temperature of the Avalon A1 is a key consideration since it's only 192 degrees Fahrenheit, 88.8 degrees Celsius. This is ideal for instant coffee or green tea, but not the best for English tea or coffee bags. This temperature may be preferable in an office or other public spaces. Touchless cold water dispensing makes the Avalon A1 a good fit for a small office. The stiff lever traction, however, is not the best if you're using paper cups. You need to hold the cup in such a way as to push the lever with your knuckles. Compared to the Frigidaire EFWC 519, the hot water capacity is similar, the heating time faster, and the flow rate better. The Avalon A1, however, tends to get a little hot at the back. Since the levers don't detach for thorough cleaning, you need to flush citric acid solution through the system for periodic descaling and good hygiene. Number 5. Avalon A8 Bottleless Water Cooler Dispenser. The Avalon A8 is a small countertop water cooler dispenser with a 2-stage filter. It's a good choice for a couple or a family with teenagers or older children. Because it sits on the countertop, it is not easy for young children to reach. This machine is excellent for hot water dispensing. It has an optimal temperature of 198 degrees Fahrenheit, 92.2 degrees Celsius, and heating times are fast. You can draw 2 large mug cups back to back before the tank must refill and reheat, which takes around 7 minutes 22 seconds. Our cold water tests revealed that you can draw off 8.5 fluid ounces, 300 milliliters, of cold water every 7 minutes. That's about 2.7 liters per hour. If you dispense cold water continually at this rate, the rear heat exchanger gets very hot. After an hour of heavy use, it requires an hour or more to stabilize and cool off, which means this machine is not suited for an office drink station. Nice features on this dispenser are the handy pocket handles, ozone cleaning, and a night light. Plus, the filter is easy to install. The paddle levers and color design are really nice, but there's not enough space to dispense water into a large tumbler or jug.